postman just came. The addiction continues. What is up, pals? My name is Jen and I just got this in the mail, so I'm super excited. Can you just tell that I'm so excited to open another pair of babies? Yes, my addiction is kind of going out of control. I have way too many pairs. I'm probably gonna have to purge some soon. But, you know, sitting here in isolation with nothing else to do, I kind of decided to buy some more Dr Martens. So, today I'm going to do an unboxing of these bad boys. I haven't actually opened this box yet. I took them out of the parcel that they were in, but I'm just so excited. Yes, I got another pair from Depop. It actually didn't take that long to get here. But yeah, I'm guessing you guys are just waiting for the big reveal. But anyways, I'm gonna open that box and then I'm gonna style some outfits with them and hopefully get you inspired on what to wear. And yeah, I actually don't know what I'm gonna wear outfit wise for this video, so it's gonna be a fun, just kind of trying on outfits kind of video. But first, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and also my Instagram is @InTheWonderYears, so feel free to check me out on there. And yeah, now for the unboxing. So I did get these off Depop, so they're kind of not brand new, but yeah, they're close to brand new. Well, that's what the post said. So let's open the box. Oh my god. Hey, they even like bothered to leave the paper in there. But I'm already in love, guys. Do you know which ones these are? These are the Dr Martens 1461 Crazy Horse. So they're kind of like the brown ones. Hold on, I'll just grab them. But first I need to embrace these. So basically they're just like these ones, which are the 1460 Crazy Horse, and these are the 1461 Crazy Horse. Obviously they look a lot better condition than these, but yeah, these are the ones I am unboxing. I've got these two here. I know it's not a classic unboxing because they're not brand new, but you get the idea. This is what they look like. They got the 3-hole. They don't even smell that bad. It feels like they've barely been worn. And yeah, they're this brown texture. They kind of get like this kind of worn look as you wear them a bit more. And yeah, I got the brown color because there was a subscriber who was like, you gotta get brown because it will look so good and I bet you'd like them. I'm really sorry, I've forgotten who said that to me, but ever since she said that, I've been dying to get my hands on these bad boys. I think they're gonna go with everything. They definitely will go with a lot of green that I have. If you saw my last video, I was styling color and I kind of have a lot of green stuff. So I think the idea of having like earthy tones together kind of looks super cute. So yes, this is these. I got a UK 6, like pretty much all my Dr Martens are UK 6 except the sandals. So I'll do a whole video on the sandals coming up soon, guys, because I know you keep asking me, where is the sandals video? I want to have a styling video. Well, we're gonna get there. I just have so many Dr Martens videos to make and the list is growing. So I was just so excited to make this video today because this just came in the mail, so yeah. Okay, anyway, stop being a fool on the internet. I will try these on, I guess, and let you know the sizing. But yes, I'm normally a size 9 in Australian shoes, normal shoes, but with the Dr Martens I get a UK 6, which should be an Australian 8 because my feet are pretty thin and yeah, I kind of don't really fit them too well. They're kind of too wide for me if I get the size up, but with this size my toes kind of like right at the end, so you can't win them all. Now all right, oh wow, typically with my 1461s, so I got the black ones here, I'll show you. So I got the black ones and these are pretty tight on my feet. I think these are the women's ones and they're pretty tight. So a little hack for you guys who have Dr Martens that don't fit you because they're too tight is you can take out the inner sole on the inside and boom, they will fit like half a size bigger than they were before. So that's what I do with these ones. Although I have noticed with these brown shoes, you cannot take out the inner sole. But luckily, I have just tried them on and they seem to be a very, very good size. This is what they look like, babies. They seem to have a lot of room in them, but not too much, so I think it will be fine on my feet. I think this will be my like 14th pair, but soon I am going to be selling a pair of 1460s on my Depop, so keep out for that. My Depop is adding the wonder years, I'm pretty sure, so yeah. But I will now do some outfits with these bad boys and give you some inspiration on how to style them. 1461 Crazy Horse. I say new, but we all know they're from Depop. But yes, that's how I would style them. I kind of just had to play around in my closet and just pulled out outfits that I'd probably wear with them. But just follow me on Instagram if you want to get inspired by more outfits, because I just made those up in the last like hour. So I bet I'm gonna end up wearing these a lot more and thinking of cool other ways to wear them. But I hope I inspired you. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see next. I have a lot of time on my hands. I think I might do a video on how to kind of hack Dr. Martens, how to make the sizing fit a bit better for you, because even with these ones I kind of hacked them a little bit and wore an inner sole inside them just to fill them up a little bit. So yeah, let me know what you want to see. My name's been Jen. Being Jen, it's not changing to anything else. My name is Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and until next time, keep wondering. Hello, new shoes calling? Hello?